focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm talking quietly because it's like 7 a.m. Today in this video, I am going to be letting ChatGPT do my makeup for me. If you do like this video, be sure to give it a like, comment, and also share this video because sharing is always caring. Without further ado, let's get onto the video. So I gave ChatGPT a prompt. The first thing it said was like moisturize my skin, which I already done. Then it said optional primer, but I'm going to use a primer. So I'm using my NYX Plump Right Back Primer. I don't usually do this. It's basically saying to use like a skin tint. It says to put it on my cheek, nose and forehead. So that's what we're gonna do. I'll put this here, tiny bit there and there. Now I'm gonna use my nice brushes. I'm gonna use this side. There you go. I guess I can't really see much that it's done. Also, I don't really do this because it's a waste of my time. Next, it's concealer. Just use a concealer one shade lighter than my skin tone. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. one actually today. And it's just to do like a triangle under my eye. Triangle. Use my Too Faced one, just a tiny little bit here, just to like really brighten it up because it says I'm meant to have a brightened up look. And I feel like the Too Faced one is really light, so that's why I didn't use it for all of that. Got a tiny bit here. That's it. I wouldn't usually do this step now, but it's saying to contour, so I'm gonna use my curve case. It says to put it like just like here, and on my jawline. It says to use a shade 2 shades darker than your skin tone. I'm thinking maybe this one. Missing. Now on blush, it's telling me to use like a pink blush. I always use orange. Sorry that I was wearing like grey, and it told me to like use pink blush. I'm gonna use this one. This is very pink, so I'm gonna put it on the brush. Put it directly on my face is like crazy. Just to put it on my cheek, at the balls of your cheek, so here up to my temple. And I don't usually do blush now. I usually do it towards the end. That's about as much as I'm gonna put on. I'm gonna use my liquid one actually, this one. There we go. Okay, now on highlighter. So wait, I haven't even done my eyebrows yet. This time to use highlighter. It's saying to use like a champagne coloured highlighter. This is the only one that I've got, and I never use this highlighter. This is to put it here and here. But I feel like this looks gonna eat though, can't I? But I don't usually do things like this, and it's just really weird. It looks different in camera in real life, so this is why I'm not gonna add too much more, just so it shows up on the camera, because I know how it looks in real life. I don't want to look scary. Finally, doing brows. Wow. Okay, it basically says to just push them up, like just shape them like with a high arch. This bit might take a while, like I want them to look a certain way. I might drag it out a bit longer. now it's telling me to do eyeshadow. What? I never did this. I'm gonna use this palette because I love this one so much. It says to use like a light neutral tone, so I'm gonna use Heat. This one here as like a. It says to put it everywhere as a base. I actually like this color, and it's very neutral. It looks so much different in real life. I keep saying that, but it does. Then it says to use like a darker brown in like the crease. So I don't know where that is. I really don't know. So I think it's like just. I'm assuming it's on the edges. I don't know. I'm gonna do it on the edges because I don't know where to put it. But I'm gonna do it on the edges because that will look good. Apparently I should do it like this. It's like, oh, this eye looks so good compared to this one. What? There's always one that looks better. Then it sits on like a glitter. It says to use gold. I have one here. I don't know why it didn't tell me to use the one that's similar to the highlight, but anyway. It's telling me to use gold, so we're gonna use gold. Okay, then it said for natural look to use like brown, but I just felt like with this, like if I'm using brown, it will look weird. It looks good when I'm wearing brown, but I'm not wearing brown. So I'm gonna use black eyeliner. So I'm gonna do like, this is do winged eyeliner as well, which is what I always do anyway. If I do eyeliner anyway. Do a dot there, shade it in. I'm gonna straighten it up. Oh my god. Yeah. Let me do this side. This side looks easy to do. Maybe it's the angle of put the mirror at. Mascara. That means I'm nearly done. That means I'm nearly done. So I'm using my Maybelline. It's like my favorite one. Greatest of all time. You know what happened, yeah? Mini story time. I cut my lashes accidentally. I don't know how. I was doing something else. I accidentally cut them. So like in the middle here, these ones are a bit shorter. It's because the eyeliner is so sharp. I'm not gonna do an under eyeliner as well because then that would just look way too much. I think next is lip compo. It's saying to use like a nude lip liner that matches my skin tone. I always used to powder. Guys, I need to leave. I'm gonna use this as a lip liner. It's saying to use a nude one. This is like the closest thing I can get to that. I can't even lie. This is the best we're gonna get. Use it for the line. What's annoying is, you know, that eyeliner I literally just used, it's disappeared. I'm gonna just fill in like beauty spots now. It didn't say to include this, but why would I not do beauty spots? Are you dumb? And then another one here. Maybe I shouldn't run this one here. Can we wipe it off? Is it set? No, it's not. There we go. So, as far as the look goes, I like it. It's not what I usually would do, but I do like it. It's still pretty. Oh, it says to add lip gloss as well, but I'm gonna do lip balm for now. Next freaking stick is that girl, because I don't want to add lip gloss yet. But as far as the look goes, I like it. Not what I usually do, but I like it. So if you did like this video, be sure to give it a like, comment and share. And if you want to see more of my face, more of my content, be sure to subscribe to my channel. So that is it for now. Have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.